Hello traders, let's talk about the US dollar's crash after the prelim consumer sentiment. We'll take a look on a few currency pairs to see if we can identify some USD shorts right now in the short term. Here is the risk disclaimer, please read it, it is important. And also don't forget to email support if you have maybe more questions. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram. Don't forget to visit our YouTube channel. You can learn a lot from our videos. To subscribe, it's very important. To like our videos, to share them. And if you want to become a VIP member, to get my trades, to follow my trades, to follow my trade management, to get my VIP content, hit the link posted right below this video and use this code at the checkout, 21 off, to get a 21% discount. Let's take a look. So the prelim consumer sentiment, it was released earlier, 66.8 points, far below 72.5 expected, far below 71.7 in the previous reporting period, and also yeah, the prelim inflation expectations was released as well, but this indicator forced the US dollar to depreciate in the short term. So let's take a look here on the dollar index. So the dollar index has rallied. It has jumped above the first warning line of the descending pitchfork, but right now it's traded far below it. It has dropped here as much as 99, sorry. And I told you earlier today in my live trading session that the dollar index could drop if it stays right below the first warning line of the descending pitchfork. Could come back lower to retest maybe the medium line of the ascending pitchfork, or yeah, also maybe to drop even below it. So you have to be careful. A potential drop here, failing to stabilize above the R2 could signal potential deeper drop, and the deeper drop downside movement could force the US dollar to depreciate. And guys, something like this, maybe jumping, stabilizing above the warning line, could signal potential upside continuation, further growth, and further growth here registered by the dollar index could force the dollar to appreciate. So let's take a look. Euro versus the US dollar. I've told you earlier today that we may have something like this because we are right above support 1.1422 above this down channel's downside line. Something like a bullish pattern could bring us rebounds here, but I've told you that also the pressure is high. It has retested the S2, staying below it, and maybe making a new lower low could signal potential drop at least towards 1.1422, and only a bullish pattern here could signal a rebound. The British pound versus the US dollar. Let's take a look. Yeah, I've told you that after reaching the medium line of the descending pitchfork, the British pound versus the US dollar could rebound, but it's still located below, it's traded below 1.3411. This is a static resistance level, so only maybe retesting the lower medium line of the ascending pitchfork, maybe staying above these immediate lows, and maybe making a new higher high here could signal potential rebound. Yeah. US dollar versus the Swiss franc. Let's take a look. I've told you maybe guys earlier today that we are at resistance, and right now the price of the US dollar versus the Swiss franc dropped only because the dollar index, it has slipped lower, and something like this false breakout with great separation above 0.9229 above the first warning line of the descending pitchfork, closing, stabilizing right below maybe the R2. I've told you also today that making a new lower low, dropping, closing below 0.9209 could open the door for a deeper drop. On the other hand, maybe something like this, making a value breakout above the warning line could signal potential growth low. We are at resistance, at crossroads here, so we need confirmation for an upside continuation here, or if the price will move down, new lower low maybe could bring us new short opportunities in the short term, right here on this market, on this pair. So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget guys to access the link posted right below this video to become a VIP member if you want to get my trades, to follow my trade management. Thank you guys.